Hello everyone, welcome to PM Intellect. I am Ashutosh Garg, and today we are going to cover under project management concept shorts activity list. We all know that the project is made up of multiple activities, and the activity list is a comprehensive list of all schedule activities which is required in a project. So in short, we can say that a project is made up of multiple activities, and how we are going to take on the work is going to be defined over there in these activities. As per the PMI definition, a documented tabulation of schedule activities that show the activity description, activity identifier, and a sufficiently detailed scope of work description so that project team members understand what work is to be performed is activity list. If you see, there are total three important pieces which are there in the definition of an activity list. First one is the activity description. Second one is the activity identifier, which could be a numeric number or a code, and then the detailed scope of work description for that particular activity. Now, based on this definition, let's understand what could be the common traits for a particular activity or activity list. So, first one is it should be of a size and complexity that allow them to have a reliable estimate. We should not take an activity which is so complex that it is difficult to define it, because if we are not able to define it, we will not be able to deliver it. Second, the responsibility for the activities should be clear cut. It should not happen that a particular activity will have say two resources who need to deliver it, or it should not happen that it will have a ambiguous responsibilities. The activity should be measurable, as well as they should have the clear start and defined dates. Now, some of the examples which we can take from the project in general for the activity list is like planning and tracking, scope management, schedule management, cost management, risk management, communication management, resource management. We can see that this what we just discussed can go from the start of the project till its closure. Another misconception which generally happens is that is WBS is same as that of activity list? The answer is no. These are two different things. WBS, or as we know, work breakdown structure, is the breakdown of our scope of a particular project, whereas the activity list is the spreadsheet that include all the activities in details. So that's it for today. Thank you so very much for your time. Should you have any other question or doubt, please connect with us at PM Intellect. You can connect with us at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.